Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. This is the Indian type portrait. So some of my fans, Indian fans, just asked me and requested me to make more tutorial about the Indian portrait photography. So that's why I'm just making this tutorial for them, and you can also use this type of preset or technique in your photography. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first I'll do just I want to inform you the steps of this photography or editing. First step, I'll do the touch of the face, the skin color, actually skin tone, and then I'll do the color correction, and then I'll increase the color grading or other stuffs like extra effects and extra lights and other things, and increase the eye color of the model, and then the ornaments color and the ambient color. So let's start the tutorial. At first, make copy by pressing Ctrl J, and then I'll go to the filter and the photo toolbox, skinfashion, that is the plugins, and I'll just give you another download link and another tutorial link of my video description about the skinfashion, that is the skinfashion detailed video, and you can learn more about the skinfashion. I'm just zooming in, and here's two panels: the skin detailing, that means how sharp will be the face and how fine or smooth will be the face, and then another one is the skin tone, that is the how color will be actually. So here at first the smoothing, I'll make the face more smooth and it will make the more shiny about this. So here's the fining options. If I make it more fine, that will be nice. And here the skin tone, what will be the color of the skin? So I'll make it a little bit yellowish because of the ambient light is yellow, that's why. So here is the saturation, I'll decrease the saturation, and here is the brightness, I'll increase the brightness a little bit. So you're getting the changes, so difference between the before one and after one. So after that, the shadow, I'll decrease the shadow just because of the edge of the face will be prominent for the shadow, and highlight, I'll increase the highlight a little bit. It will make the prominent highlight will be more prominent and the posh look. So and then hit OK. It will take time to load the progress and give you the output. So skinfashion is just loading. So and then the before one and after one. In this phase you are getting some sweating or other stuffs, but in this phase you are looking like the posh look. So after that, just make copy by pressing Ctrl J, and then here's the blending mode, and make it screen and right press and blending options. In these options you are getting the underlining layers, these options, and here is the slider, and here is another slider. So in this slider you'll just find out the highlighted area. I'll find out the highlighted area, that's good. And now press the Alt button and divide this slider and adjust the light with the face. That's the nice way, that's good, and hit the OK button. So the before one and after one, the flat data image, but in this photo you're getting the light is prominent, so that is amazing. So the before one and after one, and now I'll select these two things, make it group and make it merge. After merging this, I'll go to the filter and camera filter. Now I'll show you how to make a preset, and I'll save the preset and I'll give you that preset to you in my video description, and you can use that preset for your photography, Indian photography purpose. At first I'll go to the color, that means the HSL option. Here is the hue, saturation, luminance. That's why the name of this panel is a HSL panel. So hue, here is the hue, all the colors here: red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, magenta, and the saturation. So from here I'll increase the yellow saturation just because of yellow saturation is the ornaments color here, and decrease the saturation of orange, the face color, and luminance I'll increase the face color, and the yellow color I'll decrease. Yeah, the ornament and the like shari color will be like prominent. So here is done. And the red color, saturation red I'll increase, and the hue I'll change the hue of the red. Yeah, I'll make it like pink red. Yeah, there is the crimson red actually. So saturation increase and luminance I'll little bit make it up. Yeah, so the before one, yeah, you're getting like the prominent the lips color and the prominent ornament color as well. So that is the special thing of the Indian portrait photography, is the ornaments. The Indian culture, the Indian culture is they just got the ornaments, the rich type gold ornament, and that should be prominent in a photography. So, and now I'll go to the sharpening. Amount of sharpening I'll increase, and the luminance of noise reduction increase, and then tone curve, and from the here blue tone curve I'll make it a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. The model will be popped up from the background, and I'll work with the background later. So here is the red green, actually green options. I'll make the green color like that. That's good. And the red, yeah, the red will be like this, and yeah, that's fine. So, and RGB options, I'll make it like a little bit grama like this. So yeah, that's fine. Let's see the before one and after one. Yeah, in this photo you're obviously getting the nice look of the face. From the HSL panel I'll increase the saturation of orange a little bit. It will make more sense of the face. Yeah, and now I'll just changing the highlighted, that is the basic panel. Highlight I'll decrease a little bit, and shadow I'll give the shadow a little bit. Yeah, the blacks I'll make it down, the blacks, and the whites I'll increase for the shari color, and the exposure I'll increase the exposure. Yeah, that's good. From here camera calibration, primary red color I'll make the primary red color like -11, primary green I'll make +10, and primary like blue color I'll make it a little bit -1. That's fine. And now tone curve again, and the RGB options. From here I'll make it like prominent of the face and other stuffs, and highlight it. From here I'll decrease a little bit, and the variance from here I'll make it the variance a little bit down. Yeah, that's good. And here is the tone, that is the temperature and tint. I'll make the temperature like, that's good. And now I'll save it for you guys and give you that preset link in my video description. I'm giving the name Indian Portrait. So hit the OK button. Okay, it's loading and giving you the output, the before one and after one. And now I'll apply the lights, just because of the from the left side light is coming. So take a new blank layer and go to the color palette and choose the color like orange type color, that is the FFC 240, and hit OK, and go to the brush tool and select the first brush, and size will be like 464 pixel, and opacity and flow, that is the 100%, and select once, press Ctrl T and make it bigger. Yeah, and then hit the OK button and go to the blending mode and make it screen and make it zoom out, that means Ctrl minus, and press Ctrl T and make it more bigger of the light. Yeah, that's fine, actually more bigger. Yeah, the flow, little bit flow will come, flare will come. Yeah, and hit OK, and then take another new layer and make the color, that is the white color, and hit OK and select once and press Ctrl T and make it more bigger. So that's fine, and adjust with that, and decrease the opacity of the white a little bit and the orange as well. So that's fine. And now go to the adjustment layer and gradient options. From here select the black type gradient, and you can just make it like this and make it radial and make it reverse, and just drag into the face. Angle will be 0 degree and the scale will be around 350 or more than 350, and select the detail options and hit OK. So let's see the before one and after one. Huge change of the photography, the before one and after one. So after that select these three layers and make it group and make it merge. After merging this, go to the move tool and go to the filter, Nik collection, color effects, Pro 4. That is another plugins, and if you want to download the Google Nik collection or Nik collection, whatever you can tell, please check out my video description. That means the Google Nik collection plugins download link. Cross processing from here, and lots of methods over here, and I'll choose a method that is like that. And the 33% around, here is the strength. If you need, you can just make it more strong, but I'll make it 33. That's cool, and hit OK button. It will take time to load up and give you the output, so let it be prepared. So it's preparing the image and saving the image. The progress bar is showing here, so that's nice. And select these two things, make it group, make it merge. I'll increase the sharpness little bit and it will make more sense. Press Ctrl J and go to the blending mode and vivid light. After vivid light, go to the filter, other, and the high pass. From high pass select here, make it 0.5 pixels the high pass radius and hit OK. So select these two layers, make it group and make it merge. Now our image is ready. Now let's see the before one, the non-edited image, and the after one, edited image. So you're getting the extra posh look of the face and other like ambient light and the arms and the model face, everything. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query, or request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you need the plugins and other stuffs, please check out my video description. You'll get all the things, all the plugins and other stocks and other things over there. So don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. Until the next video, I'm Arif signing out today. Bye bye.